Hi there, I'm Rob Ruth. This is Jason Klein. Jason is our service director, and we were just talking about things that we could do now in this situation that we could actually help people in times of need. Our service department is open. We've got, how many techs do we have here?
20.
We have 20 certified technicians right now that are here that could actually take care of your service needs, whether it's repair or just general maintenance. The thing that I want you to think about, and I just had this conversation with my wife, she needs to get her car serviced, and she said, well, maybe I'll just wait till this is over. If you have time, we all struggle with time during normal life. If you have time now, we can actually help you with those things now, that when we get back to normal life and it gets completely crazy, that this would not be on your plate. So with that being said, we're picking people's cars up for them.
Yes.
I'm like the germ Nazi around here. Everybody knows that everything we do is clean. We're taking care of people. When you come in, we're asking you to sanitize. We're limiting the people in our waiting room. We're just trying our best to not spread germs and just be very aware of what we do. And I think that we can really help you with those service needs. Correct, Jason?
Correct, yes.
So,
Yep.
Anything else you want to say? Anything
No, you hit on all the topics. I mean, like Rob said, we're taking every precaution we can here, and we're doing everything we can on our side, like Rob said, to pick cars up, deliver people where they need to go, take the cars back to where the person's at. Trying to be as user friendly for the customer as we can be, and still maintain their vehicle for that.
The thing that I want to think about is when this storm blows and it's over, we're going to want to get back to normal life, and now's the time that we could be a little bit more proactive and get some things done. This is one thing that I think that we could help with. So just want to get that message out there. I hope everybody's safe, and we're doing our part here to try to keep things moving. Thank you.
Thank you.